Hello everyone, my name is Younes and today I'll be showing you how to solve a quadratic equation by completing the square. Let's say for example we have the quadratic equation x squared plus 4x minus 3 equal 0, and we want to solve this by completing the square. First thing we would like to make sure of is the 1 over here. There's 1 here multiplied by x. Let's say there is a 2. We will have to divide the whole equation by 2. And this is the b, and this is their coefficient. This is my a. So I want to make sure that my a is 1, that's my b, and this is c. Alright, the next step is I'm going to move c to the other side, and I will have x squared plus 4x equals to 3. Now I'm going to go to b, which is the 4, and I will go ahead and do it on the side here for you. I'm going to put 4 divided by, I'm going to divide it by 2 and square it. 4 over 2 is 2. If you square it, that will give you 4. Now the number 4 here is what I'm going to add on both sides of the equation, which means that I'm going to get x squared plus the 4x, that's what I had from earlier. I'm going to add the 4 that I got from dividing this b by 2 and squaring it. I'm going to add it on this side, and I'm going to add it on the other side as well. Sorry, it's supposed to be 4. As you can see, this is the 4 I added on this side and the 4 I added on the other side. Now, this trinomial here should be a perfect square. Without even thinking about it, I'm going to go and open my parenthesis. I'm going to square the first term, which is x squared. If you square that, that'll give you x. Alright? And I'm going to bring the sign. The next visible sign is plus. I'm going to bring that down. This is the first visible sign, which is the plus right there. I brought that down. And then I'm going to square the last term, which is the 4. I'm going to square it. It will give you 2. And that is going to be a perfect square. So x squared plus 4x plus 4 is a perfect square, which is x plus 2 everything squared. On the other side of the equation, I got 3 plus 4, which is 7. Alright, now since I have a square equals to a number, to get rid of the square, I'm going to plug the square root. If I plug square root on this side and square root on this side, the square will cancel with the square root. That will give me x plus 2, and that's going to be equal to, just make sure whenever you plug the square root on both sides you put plus or minus. So that will give me plus or minus square root of 7. Again, the reason why I did all this is because I wanted to solve for x. I'm going to take away 2 from both sides. My answer will be x equals to -2 plus or minus square root of 7. And that's going to be my answer. I hope this video helped a little bit. Thank you very much, and see you next time.